Dubai, the city of towering skyscrapers, luxury shopping, and extravagant attractions, is often seen as the epitome of modernity. While its iconic buildings like the Burj Khalifa and Palm Jumeirah dominate the skyline, there's so much more to Dubai than meets the eye. Beyond the glitz and glam, Dubai is a city full of hidden gems, cultural experiences, and adventures that offer an entirely different perspective of the Emirati. In this video, we'll be exploring the unique things to do in Dubai in 2025, offering you experiences that go beyond the typical tourist spots. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a history buff, or someone looking for a quieter, more immersive experience, Dubai's alternative attractions have something for everyone. Let's dive in. Al Marmoon Desert Conservation Reserve. Discover Dubai's natural beauty. While Dubai is often associated with its opulence and modernity, the city is also home to a surprisingly vast natural landscape. The Al Marmoon Desert Conservation Reserve is a perfect example. Located just a short drive from the city center, this vast desert reserve is a protected area home to native wildlife, including Arabian oryx and desert foxes. Al Marmoon is the perfect spot to escape the city and immerse yourself in Dubai's natural beauty. You can go on guided safari tours, spotting wildlife in their natural habitat, or take part in eco-friendly activities like birdwatching. In 2025, the reserve will see more ecotourism initiatives, offering a more sustainable and meaningful way to explore the desert. For those seeking more adventure, you can experience dune bashing, sandboarding, and even spend the night under the stars in a traditional Bedouin-style camp. The Al Marmoon Desert Reserve offers a side of Dubai that contrasts sharply with the bustling metropolis, showing the peaceful and raw beauty of the desert landscape. Dubai Creek, a step back in time. While many think of Dubai as a futuristic city, its roots are deeply embedded in history. Dubai Creek, a saltwater inlet running through the heart of the city, offers a glimpse into the past. For centuries, this was the center of trade and commerce for the region. Today, you can explore Dubai's history through a number of unique experiences along the creek. Take a ride on a traditional abra, a small wooden boat that ferries people across the creek. This historic mode of transportation is still in use today, offering visitors a chance to experience Dubai from the water, with views of the city's old neighborhoods like Al Fahidi and the bustling souks. On either side of the creek, you'll find the Dubai Museum at Al Fahidi Fort, which offers fascinating insights into the city's past. The Dubai Gold and Spice souks are also nearby, where you can wander through narrow alleyways, haggling for exotic spices or glittering jewelry. In 2025, the creek area is expected to see an expansion of cultural experiences, with more events, festivals, and exhibitions showcasing Dubai's rich heritage. Dubai's hidden beaches, relax by the sea. While Dubai is famous for its public beaches, such as JBR and Kite Beach, there are a few hidden gems along the coastline that offer a more secluded and tranquil beach experience. One of these is Al Sufal Beach, often referred to as the secret beach by locals. Nestled between the Burj Al Arab and the Palm Jumeirah, Al Sufal is a quiet and pristine stretch of sand, perfect for a peaceful day by the sea. For a more unique experience, head to Black Palace Beach, a little-known spot that offers stunning views of the Dubai skyline and a quieter atmosphere. The waters are crystal clear, and the beach is less crowded compared to other popular spots. This hidden paradise is ideal for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the city without straying too far from its heart. In 2025, Dubai's coastline will continue to evolve, with new beach clubs and eco-friendly initiatives being introduced, allowing visitors to enjoy the sea while being conscious of the environment. Dubai Opera, cultural excellence in the heart of the city. When you think of Dubai, you might not immediately think of culture, but the city has a burgeoning art scene. The Dubai Opera, located in the downtown area, is one of the leading venues for performing arts in the region. Opened in 2016, this state-of-the-art theater is home to a wide variety of performances, ranging from classical music concerts and operas to ballet and contemporary theater. What sets the Dubai Opera apart is its stunning design, which mirrors the shape of a traditional dhow boat, paying homage to the city's maritime history. The venue's acoustics are world-class, making it a prime spot for music lovers. In 2025, the Dubai Opera will host even more high-profile events, featuring international artists and performances that cater to a diverse global audience. For visitors seeking a more cultural experience in Dubai, the Dubai Opera offers a sophisticated and enriching evening out. It's a great way to see a different side of the city, one that embraces art, culture, and global creativity. The Green Planet. Explore a tropical rainforest in Dubai. Dubai may be known for its desert landscape, but it's also home to one of the most unique indoor attractions in the world, the Green Planet. Located in City Walk, the Green Planet is a tropical rainforest housed in a glass biodome. Inside, you'll find more than 3,000 species of plants, animals, and birds that thrive in a carefully controlled environment designed to mimic the rainforest ecosystem. The highlight of the Green Planet is the chance to get up close with wildlife that you wouldn't typically expect to find in a desert city, such as sloths, capuchin monkeys, and a variety of exotic birds. In 2025, the Green Planet will continue to expand its educational programs, focusing on conservation efforts and sustainable living. If you're looking for something out of the ordinary in Dubai, the Green Planet offers a chance to escape to a lush tropical world while learning about the importance of protecting our planet's natural habitats. Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve, stargazing, and Bedouin culture. Another hidden gem in Dubai's desert is the Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve, a vast area of protected land that's home to rare desert wildlife and traditional Bedouin culture. While many visitors head to the more commercialized desert safari experiences, the Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve offers a more intimate and educational experience. In addition to wildlife spotting, you can enjoy stargazing in the clear desert skies, away from the city's light pollution. The reserve also offers the chance to stay in luxurious desert resorts, where you can experience the traditional Bedouin way of life, learn about local customs, and enjoy authentic desert cuisine. In 2025, the reserve is set to introduce more immersive experiences, such as guided hikes through the dunes, overnight stays in traditional Bedouin tents, and opportunities to participate in local sustainability projects. This is the perfect place for those who want to connect with nature while embracing the tranquil beauty of the desert. Dubai Frame, a new perspective on the city. While the Burj Khalifa offers an unrivaled view of Dubai from its observation deck, the Dubai Frame provides a unique perspective on the city. The Dubai Frame, completed in 2018, is an architectural marvel that features two towering structures connected by a glass bridge. This frame offers visitors a view of both the old and new Dubai, giving you a snapshot of the city's transformation from a humble fishing village to a global metropolis. At the top, you'll find a glass-floored walkway that offers views of the city, and the experience also includes an interactive museum where you can learn about the history and development of Dubai. The Dubai Frame is an ideal spot for photography enthusiasts, providing an opportunity to capture the city from a unique angle. In 2025, the Dubai Frame is expected to offer even more innovative features, such as augmented reality experiences and guided tours that delve deeper into the city's rapid development and future. Dubai is often seen as a city defined by its skyscrapers and luxury, but there's so much more to explore beyond the surface. From tranquil desert landscapes and cultural landmarks to hidden beaches and unique wildlife experiences, Dubai offers a variety of alternative attractions that showcase the city's diverse character. If you're planning a trip to Dubai in 2025, be sure to check out these hidden gems for a truly unique experience. Whether you're looking for adventure, culture, or relaxation, Dubai's secrets await you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more travel tips and unique experiences. Thanks for watching.